This video tutorial I will explain equals method of arrays class which accept float array and float array. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined float array 1. Then I have defined float array 2. Then I have defined float array 3. Then I am calling equals method of arrays class and passing float array 1 and float array 2. This method check whether float array 1 is equal to float array 2. If both are equal, then this method returns true, else it returns false. If you see both float array 1 and float array 2 contents are equal, so this method returns true. Here I am comparing float array 1 with float array 3. If you see, float array 1 is different from float array 3. So this method returns false. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.